this right here stopped me from ordering like a whole burger, fried, Coke. That was my go-to when I was pregnant, y'all. I used to work at McDonald's when I was pregnant because I needed a little extra money while I was at the house. And my go-to was, let me get 2 big chickens. I'll get that chicken sandwich right there with the large fry and a large Coke. That's it. And so I did that for 9 months, y'all. No exercise, just eating unhealthy, eating lots of ice cream. But to be able to get that snapback and change my life around just like that, like, I'm so grateful. So eating healthy was a part of my journey. Taking healthy supplements was a part of my journey. Getting lots of exercise was a part of my journey. I actually recorded my journey on Facebook throughout the whole year of me getting back fit. Michael just turned 1 year old in November. So guys, it has been like a year that I've been on this journey, and I've lost 70 plus pounds. I feel great. I have confidence like out the wall. And I just want to share that confidence and share that motivation with others. And I want to help others reach their goals, y'all. We're walking into 2021 like, hey, what's up? Okay, like, what's next? I'm excited. Okay, that's the type of energy that we're walking into 2021 with. And I want to bring you guys along with me. I just believe that it only gets better from here, period. That's the type of mindset we're having 2021, like, what's up? So guys, if you want to be a part of a community of accountability, of being like-minded together, message me. I love to have you in our team. I love to help you reach those goals. We got another 21-day challenge coming up for our mommies out there, for our women out there, and our men. So I challenge you to take a leap of faith, take a step out of that comfort zone, and let's work. Let's put in the work. Okay, guys? Love to hear from you. Peace.